place is, well, practically deserted. Cool, I get it all to myself. I'm gonna go explore. This must be the master bedroom. And there must be the master bathroom. And what a cute stuffed animal. I'm not just a stuffed animal. I'm real. And actually not a stuffed animal at all. I'm a Squinky. Show some respect. Oh, this is your house? Sorry, I'll leave. That's right, you better be afraid. Wow, who knew Squinkies could be so vicious? Hey, a dark alley. I wonder where that leads. It's kind of squishy. What? Ow. It's kind of dark. Hey! Oh no, that's the way I came in. I should try this way instead. Hope it's not another alley. Yes! I'm back to the master bathroom. Hey, get out! Sorry. Wait a minute. I think I just walked into another house. I hope there aren't any more vicious Squinkies. Hello? Anybody home? Guess not. I should explore. Oh, that's the stairs where I came from. Wait. Oh, so comfortable. So... Colleen, there you are! Wake up quick! She's coming back! What? The kid's coming back. The kid's coming back! Let's go! Oh no, wait, Charlotte! I forgot my shoes! I took them off when I took my nap? Yes, whatever. Just get on your stand. She's coming. I'm not ready.